Yo, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Oh. Uh-oh. Rut-row. We getting the bounce off the VWAP, or is just going to keep dumping here? What's up? Rock Driller, what's good? JB, Marco, what's going on, guys? Man, I almost didn't make it. I almost didn't make it again. Fucking tired. I passed out. Wanted to rest my eyes for a little bit. It turned into fucking me not being able to open them or keep them open for a little bit. I had to. Oh, damn! What the fuck? Anyone see that? Shit. We're right at. Uh, oh yeah. Let me lock in some fucking gains. I don't. I'll take the baby gains, man. I'm not trying to fuck around. I just got taken out of one. I'm fine with that. I'm okay with that. Unless it fucking just goes and pumps 50 points after this. What up, Vince? DCA LeConte. Oh, Rock Driller. Yeah, exactly. Oh my God, of course. What is that? 7 points. It literally waited for me to get stopped out to fucking shit always happens to me. I'm so used to it by now. Now I'm just gonna fucking pump. Now it's gonna pump because I want to go short real quick. Whatever, these are just evals. Just an eval. Just another eval. But man, I would have loved to get 7 points. Get another 400 bucks. Whatever. It is what it is. New hour. Oh yeah. Give it to me. Oh, keep going. I'll take it. Works for me. I say that all the time, and then it just keeps fucking going. I'm just look at the way this shit's moving around. I don't fucking trust this shit. I got lucky that it started going back down instead of continuing up. Fuck, man. DCA LeConte, yes, sir. Couple of things going on. Yeah, I traded this account. This is it's funny because I was Cove was streaming, and then he sent me the invite link and just hang out on his stream. So we were hanging out on his stream, and I was fucking. I literally just got this. Like, I got this account. This is a brand new funded account, number 101. I passed an eval Wednesday, and then I activated it Thursday, like later on in the day, and it took. By the time it went live, what's up, Ron? By the time it went live, the market was already closed. It might have went live right before the market closed, but I didn't refresh Tradeovate to even notice. Yeah, this shit. Look at this. And I literally was the first trade I took. I was up 175 bucks in the trade, and I didn't lock in the gives. I couldn't lock it in fast enough, or I didn't move in. I didn't move fast enough, and next thing I know, I got stopped out for a $471 loss. That's how this fucking account started, and then I got it all fucking back. I worked it back to break even or like right before break even and then pushed it over a little bit. I did it yesterday, like, during the overnight, but last night it's at 170. This is a brand new funded account, but see, I was down big already to start. 465 before fees, add the fees, it was 471, and then I got started just systematically just getting some, worked it all the way back. So I'll take this as a first day for that account. 170. I don't need to trade that shit anymore. I don't know if you noticed anything about one of my other accounts. Um, but I have 4 funded Apex accounts. I was just curious if anybody noticed anything. You're about to pass your first Apex eval. No. Once you activate the funded account, Ron, once you activate it, the subscription for the eval cancels on its own. And great job, man. Congratulations. Very good. Very good. I like that. I like seeing progress. Then there's only 19 people on. I wonder if I want to start getting on earlier. I'm telling you, I was fucking it was like so it's 110 by me on the West Coast. That's not bad at all, Ron. Seriously? That is that's your Ron, are those the first 6 ever evals as a prop firm trader and you're already passing? I'm fucking jealous. I think it took me like 20 to get my first to pass my first eval. But I wanted to get on. Yeah, that's a great job by you, Ron. Let's pound that confetti like roast beef for Ron. Holy shit. Super. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. See, everybody's journey is going to be different. Everybody's journey is going to be different. Maybe you'll be one of those guys that it doesn't take 7 months and hundreds of fucking evals before you get a fucking payout like it took me. Yeah. Well, have you ever traded with any prop firms before Apex, or this is like your first exposure to prop firms, just these Apex accounts? Because there's also guys that are like good traders. Yeah, take your time. I mean, Ron, yeah, you're gonna blow accounts. I mean, obviously, if you hang out with any fucking, you hang out on any of these streams, we're not just blowing accounts because it's fun and people like to watch it happen. Like, it just happens. Shit happens. especially when you're trading with these prop firm accounts, because it's like almost like monopoly money, right? You're only spending, let's say, for an Apex account, a 50K Apex account is right now at 80% off is 33 bucks. Wow, look at this fucking drop. So like, and then you get access, you're really paying for the drawdown. If you really think about it, like a 50K account, or some people will be like, oh, they'll have 20 50K Apex accounts. But like, yeah, I'm trading $1 million. Like, no, you're not, dude. You're trading 20 accounts with $2,500 worth of drawdown. So you're really trading 50K if you think about it, because you're paying for drawdown. Nothing else really matters. You can't let that drawdown go to zero. You have to work your way. You have to keep that drawdown. Wow, learning theory for 2 years. So basically, paper trading or sim trading without any skin in the game. Finally, decides to get some skin in the game, and it takes only 6 evals to get a PA. Very impressive, Ron. Seriously, super impressed. There's people who are like really good traders, and then they decide to get into prop firms, and they just can't get paid, or they can't get funded, or whatever. Like, it happens. Watching streams and videos. Well, yeah, well, yeah, man, shit. Either way, hats off to you. But yeah, man, I wanted to get on. It was like 11:30. I said goodnight to my son, my 15-year-old boy, Jacob. And I'm like, shit, I could get on right now. I should get on right now and then hang out until fucking 1:30, 2 o'clock, right? And I'm sure enough, like right around that time, I started getting fucking tired. Like, my eyes got so heavy. I'm like, I don't want to be falling asleep while I'm on the stream. So let me go lay down. Let me go rest my eyes. And then sure enough, 12, 12:30, 12:37 rolled around, 12:47 rolled around. The I woke up before the alarm went off, but then like I kept fucking reclosing my eyes, and then like my dog Harvey was down here, so I was like, oh, let me snuggle with Harvey. I just want to lay with him for a minute. And then like 10 minutes in, I'm like, fuck. If I don't fucking get up now, it's gonna be fucking 2 o'clock the next time I open my eyes. So I'm glad I finally manned up and got up. But the cool thing is, like, my other son, Jason, he passed J Dog, Zero Day J Dog Jr. Zero Day J Jr. fucking passed his road test on Wednesday. So like, he yesterday morning, he drove his own ass to work. I didn't get this to wake up, get out of bed and take him to work. So I didn't literally, first of all, I passed, last night I slept through. I didn't even stream last night. I passed the fuck out and could not wake up. By the time I woke up, I was like, fuck that. I'm going right back to sleep. So I got like a ton of sleep. More so, the only time I really get a lot of sleep is on the weekends when like he's off or whenever he's off. So it was nice. It was glorious. So even like he's got work this morning, he's got work at 6 in the morning. He's waking up, and I don't have to fucking wake up. Although I will probably wake up just to make sure he got there, like check my phone for the text, you know, which is fine. And I could easily just roll back over and go back to sleep instead of having to physically get up out of bed, put my shoes on, get in the car, drive that shit, come back. It's a lot different. It's different just rolling over and looking at the phone real quick and then passing back out versus like physically getting up and driving. So super fucking excited. Neo, yeah, I was blowing through some fucking baby oil. You know what's funny? What's up, Visible ID, serious trader guy? Fuck yeah. What up? You're only down $12. Is that what that is? That ain't bad. That's nothing. What up, boss? Ye- Yeah, boss, $85 lifetime activation fee. So check this shit until September 30th, allegedly, right? We all know Apex. Well, not everybody knows, but Apex, in case you're not aware, Apex those guys over there are habitual sale extenders. So we don't know. I mean, anytime you think the sale's ending with Apex, there's a very good chance it could get extended. This 80% off and $85 lifetime PA activation fee for any size account got extended until September 30th. And this is, I think, the second time it got extended. I don't remember. But they're habitual sale extenders, so it's allegedly over on September 30th. But yeah, boss, it's still good. How are my payouts going this month? Great question. You know, it's funny. All the visible ID. If you're degen trading, then you're trading $33 rather than the 25. Yeah, it's only $33. Like visible ID. I mean, let's be real. But that $33 could turn into fucking 30,000 real quick. Don't ask me how I know. Don't ask me how I know. I mean, shit. This, you want to see? I'll show you how I fucking know. Look at all this. Rob Moores, what's good, man? It hit your account already, Rob Moores. Fucking awesome. Super happy for you, man. And thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. Rob Moores is a habitual super chatter. Thank you so much, man. And congratulations on the 3K payout. That's a fucking, what is that, a 300K? No, it's a 250K payout. 250K that you got paid on, right? You got paid on a 250K, took the max payout, which is what anybody should do. Anytime you get to a payout with Apex or anyone, take the max. Take as much as you can get, because you just never know when you're gonna get back to a payout. Trust me on that one. Thanks, Rob. Really appreciate it. Moina with NQZ. All the contracts seem to be rolling over. But look at this. Look at all these payments that I sent to Apex. $30,000 worth, and it's more than that. It's 30,000, a little over. It's like 30,100 and something now, because I passed another eval, and that's since the beginning. Rich Goodwin, what's going on? I'll show you. Serious trader. I don't really do. The gym was. You know what? Honestly, today's gym session sucked. So I waited too long to go. That's one part. I'll get to the payouts, Ron, because I do want to show you guys, because I did request a payout. I requested a payout with Apex Wednesday night. Wednesday's trading session was my 10th day for PA number 96. I requested a payout later on that night, because like you can request the same day on your 10th day, but it's not until later on. So I requested it like Wednesday evening, and then I went under review. I was under review all day Thursday. So I was like, shit, I'm like, what the fuck? You know, I'm like, why would I be under review on this account? But the metrics are fucking insanely good. You know, no violations of rules. So I've been under review for all this time. But we'll go look in there, and I want to show you how I get to come across or get to these numbers here. You just became eligible. Nice. Nice, serious trader. Wait, 38,000. Fuck yeah, man. Great job, man. Great fucking job. Pound the confetti like roast beef for Ron for getting to his first PA after in only 6 tries. For Rob Morse for getting a 3K payout from Apex, and for fucking Serious Trader hitting 38,000 in payouts this year to date. I can't wait. I seriously, like, I can't wait till I hit $38,000 in payouts from trading. Fuck yeah. I see money flow. Yeah, it's nuts. Look at this shit. 30,000 since the beginning. But I want to show you some. I want to. Don't. This isn't the whole story. This is since day one. My first prop firm account. October 16th, 2023. Yeah, DCA LeConte, October 16th. I want to work through that, but I got so much I want to show you guys. I'm missing fucking this dump here too. Yes. Oh, you were on that stream? You were on that stream when I was at the gym? Yeah, it was loud as fuck because they were doing like construction work in there. So there's fucking guys like cutting into the fucking, the concrete foundation, and all the dust was flying around. So the workout sucked. I kind of cut my workout short because I was like, I know I'm breathing this fucking dust in. There's no way they're fucking properly ventilating this shit. So I got fucking, I'm like, I'm getting the fuck out of here. So I did a little bit of everything, but I don't just do. Oh yeah, Ron. I'm gonna dig a little deeper into those numbers. I'll show you guys the full picture on that. But yeah, they were fucking cutting into the fucking concrete slab at the gym, and all the fucking dust was flying out. I'm like, I don't want to be breathing this shit in. So I kind of rushed to my workout, but I never just do serious trading when I work. Yup, you were there for that. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He was streaming. I'm like, yo, because he called me and I missed his call and I called him back. He's like, I'm hopping on the stream, or I just got on the stream. Like, oh, no doubt, I'll come hang out on in the chat. I was like, send me a link if you want me to come hang out. I was like, yeah. So he sent me the link and I was hanging out with him on the stream for a little while. But yeah, and he was trading. I mean, I was trading too. I mean, let's be real. I was trading, but you couldn't see my screen. We could only see his screen. But yeah, the gym was. I don't just when I go to the gym, I don't just do. Oh my goodness, what's going on here? Ooh, this is looking interesting. Is it going to push like you see this low? We got a higher low here. Is this going to be the low, or is it going to push through and go lower than both of these two? If it gets lower than both of these two, we're going to go down for a little ride potentially. Equal low here. Did we just get an equal low? A little lower. Okay. Yeah, we might keep going down. We dip below the VWAP, tried to bounce back over and rejected. This is some good price action for this time of day. Is there any fucking news going on? Yeah, so again, back to the whole gym thing. I never just do I don't really do bro splits. I never just do one muscle group. I just don't like feeling super sore for a bunch of days in one area. So I do full body most of the time. I do full body. So I didn't do much, but I did what I do. I did some body weight dips, I did some body weight pull-ups, I did some upward dumbbell rows, and I did trap bar. I guess they're deadlifts. I don't really know. You know when you're on the trap, you got the trap. It's called a trap bar, and you got the handles on the side, and you're kind of in the middle of it. I was doing those, so I guess I don't know if they're deadlifts or squats. I don't even really know. I was just doing some shit, and then yeah, which is funny. I don't know what they are, but it was a good workout. And then I fucking went in the sauna for like 10, 15 minutes. I was like, I know I'm breathing this fucking dust in, and I want to get the fuck out of here. So I just kind of blew through it real quick. Strong and long at 20,000. Yeah, I think we go down some more. Even if we come up to this 9 right here, I just feel like we're gonna go down some more. Although this is an equal low. I don't know how that equal low shit works when it gets lower than the previous low. But we do have an equal low here. The last time we had an equal low, we fucking popped. It was. Let me see if I can find it. Like right here. You see this? We had this equal low here, but it was right one after the other, and we fucking popped from 21. From 21, it was like at that time, 35 or 36 points was a lot. At that time of the day, that time of night. We've had bigger moves since then, but for what was going on at the moment, that was a big move. Because obviously here, like, look, we went from fucking 23.50 to fucking 70. And then now we're back down to 20. We're back down to 23 from 70. That's a nice drop. Like taking this all the way down would have been fucking money. I was in short right here. Don't worry. I got fucking 5 points. I got 5 whole fucking points and it went down another 30. How awesome am I? Yeah, see, look, it got lower. Did we just make a new fucking lower day? No, almost. We're almost this is gonna keep dropping. I don't know. This looks like it wants to dump. I don't know if I would take any trades here, personally, me, but all right, so check this out. So much to talk about. Thank you, serious trader. I mean, yeah, yeah, the gym definitely keeps you looking younger. I can tell you that much. I work out. Like I work out for the aesthetic, obviously, but I play baseball, so I work out to stay in shape, so I could hang, so I can stay on the field. That's a big part of how I work out. I work out. I do a lot of functional athletic training, you know. But the aesthetic from it, like if you want to, the model that I learned a lot, how I work out, I learned from a guy named Athlete X, and one of his models is if you want to look like an athlete, you have to train like an athlete, and he trains professional athletes. He used to be the strength trainer for the Mets before he started his channel and all that shit, and started putting out his own workouts. And I've done like almost all of his workouts. Anyway, yo, one trader day wants this shit to keep dropping. Yeah, this shit is fucking dumping. Even from the VWAP, it's already down what 27 points. Now we made new lows. Oh boy, there it is. There it is. Where the fuck are we on the chart? Oh my god. Look, we couldn't get back. I'm on. This is the hourly, obviously. Well, not obviously, but I'm looking at the hourly, and look, we couldn't get over. We wicked over the bottom orb here in the last in this hour. Couldn't get any further up, and now look what's going on. We coming down here. We got some areas of support here. We got maybe right here 20,009, 20,010. We got 20,000. I mean, we could go. We're up so fucking much already. We had that the day after FOMC, we went up like 500 fucking points. Here's the range. Here's the range. The previous this Thursday's high is 20,202, I guess. And Thursday's low. Where's Thursday's low? All the way down here. Look at this. Almost it's 500, 565 points is the range. Thursday's range, low to high or high to low. Nuts. Well, here we are here. Wow, this shit's dropping like a fucking rock. Beware of falling knives, guys. Beware of falling knives. I love catching falling knives. It's one of my favorite pastimes. Like right here. Don't fucking do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I didn't cancel it. Fuck. This shit's gonna drop more. Fuck that. I ain't fucking around. I need to get this account. Look, I might have gotten filled there. Imagine if I got filled there and it fucking just kept dropping. I mean, this could be like a sweeping of the lows too. Because what was the low before this? I don't remember. It could fucking start bouncing, but I don't trust this shit. It could keep going down. Yeah, Ron. I mean, obviously, 20,000 is a psychological level. So let me show you what's going on with Apex. So I have these 4 funded accounts. I don't think anybody noticed. Here's my Apex account again. Here are my 4 funded accounts, right? Where was my order that I just canceled? 20,011. Oh my god, I'd be green right now if I could let myself get filled. I had an order at 20,011 and I fucking canceled and it just went up like 6 points. It's almost 7 points from there. It's probably going to keep going up. Like, look at this little fucking. It's probably going to keep going up. Awesome. Anyway, All right, so let me show you. I requested a payout. It was put on the review. Let's see. Is it still on the review? Nope. Shit got approved Thursday night. Another payout approved, baby. So I got $4,000 in payouts approved. I have a feeling I'm going to get this money like Saturday fucking morning or Monday, because I got approved. I got approved on the 15th. Well, I requested a payout on the 15th, which was Sunday. Got approved on the 16th, and the money hit my account on the 17th. I was like, holy fuck. But that puts me at, obviously this one doesn't count, right? I got denied. Everything else, it puts me at 14,752, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14,750. So super pumped about that, obviously. Super pumped. That puts me at, and the best part is like, so I'll get to my tuition again. What are we looking at? Looking like on the charts. Going for new lows. All right, so my tuition, right? 30,000. Oh, my overall tuition with Apex, 30,000. Like 30, it's a little bit more now. So to get to that, if you go to your dashboard on Apex and you go to payments history right here on the from the dashboard page, you'll be able to grab that and put it and paste it into a spreadsheet. Like, watch. If you scroll down far enough, hopefully you don't have as many fucking accounts as I've gone through. But look at all this shit. You scroll through all these invoices, right? You'll eventually get to a list of payments. You see this payment history? You just literally just fucking grab it like this. Just grab all of this shit, right? Until you get to the bottom, or you can go from bottom to top, and then you take it and you paste it in a spreadsheet, like a Google sheet or a fucking Excel. And then that's how you get your total number, right? It was fairly easy. Someone asked me to do this because I thought, like, I would always just tell, because people would ask me, like, are you net positive? You know, they would ask me, and they write to, and it's and I have no problem. One thing about me, guys, if you haven't noticed, what's up, Curtis? What up, Nam or Nam? Obi Lazar, what's good? Yeah, 10K, most very recent. 10 since August 15th, Lazar. OB Lazar, since August 15th, I requested and got approved for 10,750. Apex is definitely stepping their payouts up. I don't know, boys. I haven't ever been asked for a video, but I would be more than happy to make one for them. And I would make it the best video they've ever watched. They'd be sharing it with all the other fucking payout request reviewers, because it'd be fucking funny as hell. But even if they are, I don't know. They might still request videos from people, but they just want to make sure it's you trading and not some fucking bot, because there's services out there that you can literally pay other people to trade your account for you. So they want to make sure that's not happening. All I know is that and I haven't heard anything. The August 15th to 20th window was the window that they were asking people for videos. Everybody was so upset about it and so nervous. I'm like, just make the fucking video, you know? And the people that I know, because obviously a bunch of people hang out on my streams and I have the Discord and all that shit. So I have a lot of people that let me, we're all in this together. So people feel like they can share what's going on in their fucking prop firm journey with me, because I openly share mine with everybody. So they're telling me, yeah, they asked me to make a video. And everybody who got asked to make a video, and it was a lot of people, anyone who made the video that I know and told me they made the video got approved. Everybody I know who had to make a video got approved if they made the video. So it wasn't that big of a deal. Nothing burger. You know what I mean? Maybe some people got denied if they couldn't clearly explain what the fuck they were looking at or whatever, but I don't know anyone who didn't get approved after making the video. But that's the last time I heard anyone tell me that they got asked to make a video also. I haven't heard anybody, we've gone through since the August 15th to 20th payout request window, we've had two more, right? We had the 1st to the 5th of September, and now we're in the 15th to the 20th. Today's the last day that you can request a payout. I haven't heard anything about video requests since the August 15th to 20th. So check this out. This is my grand total. What up, Jamila? I am Curtis. 1,000 fucking percent. I'm making some quick work. Um, Jamila is laughing at me. Yeah, Matt, this is the grand total. It's a little bit higher because I had to. I just activated this. Oh shit. Oh shit. This shit's gonna go up. I had to fucking order it. I canceled this order. Oh wait, wrong account. I canceled this order at fucking 11, and here we are at 20. It hit 22. I'm so glad I canceled that shit because I'm a pussy. I'm so fucking glad. Now I want to fucking. Now I feel like chasing. We got a double bottom. We got a power bottom pattern here, guys. The power bottom pattern is where it's at. I don't want to do 3 because in case it fucking just keeps dropping like a rock. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to do 3. Let's see if I get. Let's see if we get the bounce here. We do have a power bottom formation, and it's a higher low. We'll see what happens. But like, let's say this is where 18, 18 to 8. Maybe it goes up to here. I don't fucking know. We'll see. We'll see. But we dropped pretty hard. Oh shit, I'm fucking green. I'm fucking green. Oh my god. My nose is, I got like all fucking stuffy. The weather's changing out here, so I think I'm fucking have a little bit of like algae or whatever, like an algae cold or some shit. Maybe it's the bird flu. I should go get a vaccine. Not. I'll take this. Is it going to reject off the 21? I don't think so. I think I'll take it though. I don't care. Working this account up. It's going to keep going. I just have a feeling it's going to keep fucking going. But yeah, I feel like I got to go blow my nose. But yeah, so check this. Let me show you the progression. JB K9 Trader. He did pass it. Thank God. What up, HR? Hell yeah. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you too, bro. Aventus. That's the goal, man. My goal was to pay off my tuition by the end of the year. I think I'm going to do it before the end of the year. Honestly, I think I could get it done before the end of the year. Do I trade my funded futures? Yeah, that's what I'm trading. That's what. Oh, it did go up a little bit more. That's what this is. This is my funded futures. I just started trading with my funded futures like 2 months ago. I almost got paid from 2 different funded accounts, but I just kept fucking up and hitting the daily loss limit like a fucking degenerate. But I'll get back up there. And it's been a little bit of struggle to pass the last fucking handful of fucking evals, but I'll get back up there. I will get back. That's one of my big, hairy, audacious goals, to be getting payouts from multiple prop firms habitually. Habitual payouts from multiple prop firms, so much so that it covers my monthly nut. Hell yeah, we're pounding that roast beef like pounding that confetti like roast beef. Well, we're just pounding that roast beef, whatever. Slapping that shit around like the Salt Bay and just dropping some salt on it. My funded futures is not straight to a funded account, serious trader. But you could have funded accounts for as little as $48. If you don't have an account with them, watch this fucking deal that they're running. I'll show you right here. And I got to drop my links in the chat because I'm a habitual link dropper in the chat. And I haven't dropped a single fucking link in there. And I'm slacking. So here's the sale. I'm going to go to it. I post, this is the community section of my channel. I post a lot of like shit about sales in here, but like other stuff too. But here's the sale that they're running right now. If you don't have a My Funded Futures account, if you don't have an account with them yet, you could get a starter. You could save 40% on any size starter account using the best coupon code in the fucking world called ZERODAYJAY. You could have a 50K starter for $48 and there's no activation fee. So if you pass, right? Let's say you go 1 for 1. Let's say you're fucking a good trader, or you get lucky, because I'm cool with that too. But you could literally have a funded account with My Funded Futures for as little as $48. But it's 40% off for new users for starter accounts. Otherwise, if you already have an account with them, it's 5% off. They also have this deal, if you were not aware, if you don't want to try to, if you have had funded accounts and you blew them, you can save 10% on funded resets. They just introduced this. You can now reset blown funded accounts. And this is a deal they're running for 50K or for any size starter account that you may have blown. If you want to reset the funded accounts, you can just skip all the eval shit, skip the time it takes, all that stuff, and just go right to having the funded account again. Just to, it is a lot, right? It looks like it's a lot of money. Really, if you could pass, if you could pass in less than 5 tries, in 5 or less attempts, it's cheaper that way. But it could also take you a bunch of days. But to compare to another prop firm that offers this type of thing, Take Profit Trader, to reset a 50K Take Profit Trader account, it's $649. And to reset, I don't know what it is for the 100K, and to reset a 150K with Take Profit Trader, it's $1,500. So just throwing that out there for anybody who wants it. This shit kept going. I got baby gains here. Where is it? Look. I got 2.5 points. It went up another 9. I'm such a fucking pussy sometimes. I don't know. It's like it's not a lot, Ron. I mean, but it adds up obviously. But I get a small sliver, like 10 or 15%. I don't even remember. Yeah. Well, the 405 is only, it's for serious trading. If you don't have the 405 is not a fee to activate a funded account. That's if you have blown a funded account and you just want to bypass. Let's say you had a funded account with My Funded Futures and you smoked it, right? And you want to bypass having to fucking go through the eval process again. You just want to get the account. You just want to have a funded account again after you just blew one. That's all that is. But it's $48. I didn't mean to confuse anyone. This is this is for anyone who has a funded account that you have blown. It's a reset for funded accounts. It's not for anything else. It is up there. It is steep. But this is what you want. If you don't have a My Funded Futures account, there is no activation fee when you pass the eval. You could literally have a funded account with My Funded Futures if you've never had an account with them before for as little as $48. Otherwise, it's 5% off. So you could have it. You've gone through a couple of evals and you've blown them for $76. There's no activation fee on any size account. Anyway, sorry for any confusion there. Let me fucking drop my link. It seems like my delay is really fucking slow. I mean, not slow. It's pretty good. It's, what was it, 10 seconds? Oh, this shit just keeps going up. And I'm fucking annoyed right now because I had an order at 11 and I canceled it. I canceled an order for 3 at 11. It's at fucking 26 right now. So that's what. That I literally missed out on $900. Oh, it's okay. I got fucking 50 of it. I got 50, but I could have had 900. We rejecting off the 34 here. Looks like it. Whatever. I mean, the account's up on the day. I wish I was copy trading, but whatever. It is what it is. So let me drop. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. I want to go back to my whole Apex tuition thing. I want to talk to you guys about that shit some more. Jamil is laughing again. Yeah, it is funny that they do that. They want it to be, it's just a way that it just makes it a little bit more challenging for us to get to payouts and shit. But like they want to simulate the real thing, even though we're simulating with sim trading. What am I doing here? I want to fucking have a short leash on this shit. I don't trust this. Whatever. I'm gonna get stopped out. I don't know. I guess it just wants to keep going up because we came down a fuck ton. Why am I going short? I was playing. We came down from 70 to fucking. We came down 63 points. Oh shit! I'm fucking green. What am I doing here? We came down 63 points. Getting the 34 rejection, baby. Was getting it. I'll lock it in, man, because I'm just trying to lock in gains here. We're trying to go to Gainesville on every trade. Yeah, another 65 bucks. So here's my Fund the Futures link, 40% off for for anyone who's never had an account. If you've never had an account, you can get 40% off starter account for new users. Otherwise, it's 5%. You could even save 5% on resets and 10% on funded resets on starters. There's my link. Apex is doing 80% off any size eval and $85 lifetime activation fee for any size account as well. They used to only be for the bigger accounts since like June. Let me drop my link in for that. Quick commercial break. And then we'll get back to what I wanted to show you guys because it's fucking cool. I want to show you the progression of my prop firm journey, at least with Apex. That's where basically almost all of my fucking tuition is. Take Profit Trader is doing a 50% off sale, any size test account, and then it'll give you 100% of your test feedback if you could get to a withdrawal, which is pretty cool. Here's my link for that. Best coupon code. Bullinox is doing, I think Bullinox is doing 90% off still. Best coupon code in the world since NAM for Apex. Take Profit Trader, My Fund the Futures, and Bullinox is ZERODAYJay. If you want to support the channel, click on my links. They're in the chat or in the description below if you want to grab an account. Even if you already have an account and you want to support the channel, you can still use my coupon code. If not, no big deal. The fact that you're hanging out right now and we're all chilling, breathing, and relaxing is support enough, and I appreciate you. But I do have the best coupon code in the world. According to the prop firm streets, it has the highest pass rate and the highest payout rate. I can't confirm that with actual data. Oh, here we go. Oh, maybe not. But the degen data in the chat and on the Discord, in my Discord, fucking say that it's the best code in the world ever. Serious trader. My voice is raspy and stuffy right now, but thank you. I'll take that as a compliment. Oh God, Curtis. Pablo, what's good? I do. I haven't really been copy trading, but I do. I have a group here. Oh, I did have a group here. That was for other evals. I feel like when I get to a certain point where I have like 8 of these accounts, these 8 of these funded accounts, I might have to copy trade. But I don't. You know, obviously, copy trading is great if you win, but copy trading really can suck if you lose, right? If, let's say you decide to copy trade all. Let's say I decided to copy trade all of these fucking accounts at the same time, and I just have a really bad day. That means I'm going to have a really bad day times 4, not just a really bad day in one account. What up, TQ the Shaman? What's good? Yeah. Jamila. I better not be a dude. What the fuck? That's funny. What's up, LFT? I'm doing good. Well, thank you. You guys, you're making me blush. You're making me blush. You know? Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Jamila. I know. I should have stayed in the short. That's something that happens. I fucking take baby gains a lot. This price action, this is actually moving around pretty good, but the overnight, I don't trust the overnight at all. So like there's not much volume, so a lot of this price action is basically driven by algos, and like a lot of times you never get a full move. So I'm just kind of this was the move right here. Fucking canceling this order was stupid because I could have gotten 15 points or more. Shit. It went from 2000, it went from 11 to almost 31. It went up almost 20 points. I don't know if I would have gotten all of it, but I would have gotten a lot of it if I just held. I don't know. So, like, here we go. You think it's just going to drop some more, and then now it's bouncing again. It's probably going to go up. Oh, no, it's probably going to go up we're probably going back up to the VWAP. Yo, Tiago's trading lean hogs right now, baby. What's up, Jen? It's going pretty good. I got approved by Apex, so anytime you could get approved for another payout, This one was under review, but I think that's just part of their protocol now. I requested this payout on fucking Wednesday night, September 18th, late, and I got approved last night. So about 24 hours, maybe less. Hell yeah! Look at this shit. 4,000 this month, a little bit less than the month before, but the payouts are becoming habitual. That's the number. I'm not worried so much about the amount I'm getting every month, but the fact that I'm getting habitual payouts. Look, I got one. So my first ever payout, it took 7 fucking months for me to get my first payout, just about. A little less than 7 months. But once I got the money, it was 7 months. I got the money on the 16th or the 13th. I don't fucking remember. It took almost 7 months, and then it took me another 2 months to get the next one. And then July 15th, the next payouts I requested on the 15th and the 19th, that was one pay period for $67.50. All of that got approved. And then a month later, I requested 4,000 in this current pay period. It could have been 6, but I fucked myself out of 2,000, like legit. But whatever, it happens. But that's another 4,000. So literally month after month after month so far, 3 months in a row, I got paid at least once. I got paid at least, one pay period. And like, I already got this money. I already got this. I got all of this. What's crazy is this money didn't come into my bank account until September 6th. So technically this month, I will have, once this comes, which it should come fast, if the last one is any indicator, this month I will have gotten $10,750 dumped in my account from Apex, by Apex, from trading. Fucking crazy. Crazy when you consider this. What's up, Eric Crow? Yep, no video needed. No video needed. Yeah, fuck yeah. So Rose, what's up? Yeah, I'm feeling good. Like, I'm not like this shit. Like, some people might take this as me flexing. I'm not flexing at all because I'm still fucking negative. I'm just fucking proud of the work, and let me fucking celebrate my fucking success because the journey's been fucking very fucking hard for me. And let it be some fucking motivation, inspiration for other people who are struggling. And for people who've been in my, had my back since they came across my channel, and been rooting for me. So, it's a celebration, not a flex. So check this out. I wanted to break down these numbers some more. Where's the fucking charts at? I'm all over the place. A little scatterbrained. A lot going on here. So you saw my total tuition of 30,000. So at 30,000, a little over 30,100 now. Right, and I've gotten 14,750 in payouts. But look at this. I broke the numbers down some more. May 2nd was the first time I requested a payout. May 2nd. Since May 2nd, I'm at about 10,700, 10,800 in total tuition. And then I just showed you so since May 2nd, I'm profitable. I'm up basically four grand since May 2nd, since I got my first ever payout, since I requested my first payout. And watch this. Let me break it down some more. This one is since August 1st. Since August 1st, I spent $3,902. Well, let's just say 4,000 because I did buy another eval. I bought another. I paid another $85 to activate a new funded account. So let's just say 4,000 since August 1st. And since August 1st, I've gotten 10,750, maybe 12,000 because I don't remember when that, no, 10,750. And then watch this. Since I requested, so August 15th, so check this out, August 15th, this last payout window, I requested $67.50 and got approved for all of it. So since August 15th, when I requested the first basically multi-account payout, the first time I got multiple payouts in one window, since August 15th, right? Let me move this over. I have spent let's just say 2,500, a little over 2,500, and I've gotten 10,000 now that I've gotten paid, and it's well, now that I got approved, I spent 2,500 and I've gotten 10,750. You see the fucking gap is widening in terms of payouts versus money spent on accounts. So you can see the evolution of my prop firm journey. It was really bad in the beginning, really fucking bad. More than half of it, I spent more than half of it before I got my first ever fucking payout. And then two-thirds of it basically. So pretty fucking cool. I hope nobody in here spends that much money. We got people beefing in the chat. Jeez, come on, guys. Can't we all just get along? Anyway, Jimmy Koffa, what's good? JB, I'm throwing a Diddy party when we hit 10,000 subscribers. So if you're not, well, you're already a subscriber. I'm pretty sure you are. Touch that range on the 15-minute. Yeah, let's see. Well, I was looking at the hourly. I saw this on the hourly. You see this right here? I was looking at this. Let me draw this fucking line. Horizontal. My favorite. Right there. I was looking at that, and we got it. We got the bounce off of that area of support. We might drop back down here, though. We might drop back down. I mean, this looks like shit. If you look, this is the hourly. It looks like fucking dog shit. It was trying to curl back up and then go long. It looked good, but it's still it's basically gone sideways. I mean, yeah, this is decent. This is definitely a decent range because this is the hourly chart. These candles are big, but it doesn't look great to the upside. We need to get back to the VWAP. Look, we rejected right off the lower VWAP band right there. Rejected right the fuck off of that. But you know, if you look at the 15, we rejected off. We wicked over the bottom orb and then just really rejected off of it. Hard. Hard in the paint. Now it looks like we're going down, going back downtown. But who knows? I don't know. It looks like that's what could happen, but it's so unpredictable during the overnight because there's no volume. Canine Trader, thank you. My transparency is, yeah, I mean, I'm fucking being honest. Like, this is you know, because I mean, I wouldn't wish this tuition on anybody, but it's just a testament of like not quitting. You know, I'm never gonna be like, you know, I'm not the guy you want to like learn. I'm not the guy you want to learn like trading fucking techniques from. I'm not gonna ever fucking. I have no intention of ever putting out a fucking course on how to trade. I could put a clinic. I put on clinics on how to not trade when I'm streaming, or how to not lock in, how to not fucking hold positions long enough, or how to get yo-yoed around, or how to get top tick and bottom tick. I could put a fucking clinic. I put on clinics like that shit all the time when I'm streaming. But one thing, hopefully people are learning from me is to never fucking quit and never give up. Because I could have easily have fucking quit before May 2nd, before I got my first, before I requested my first ever payout. I could have easily quit before that. And by that point, you know, I already spent fucking, by the time I got to May 2nd, I was already like $17,000 deep in fucking tuition. Or 16,000 or almost 20,000 actually. I don't know, something like that. It was bad. It's still pretty bad. I still got a ways to go, but you know, I'm getting there. Nah. You know what's funny? You notice You know, you guys ever like what up, Wilco? Trading's going pretty good. This is a brand new funded account. It's the only Apex funded account I traded. It's up 170. It was down 470. The first trade I took, that was down. I was actually up 175 in the trade and didn't lock in gains, and then I ended up getting stopped out for a $471 loss. And then I got it all back, and then I'm up 170. So I'm done for the day with that account. And then I traded. The only other account I traded since then is this my funded futures eval, and it's up 527. Could be up a lot more, but whatever. It's water under the bridge. And Wilco, I got approved for another payout. This payout request that was this was under review for 24 hours, less than 24 hours, got approved. So I got another 2,000 coming. But hell yeah, Wilco. Trying to catch up to you. Yeah, that's fucking awesome, serious trader. Seriously. Much better than me. But you know what? So you're like your fucking return, your ROI is like at least 5x. If I could get to 5x ROI on my shit, that's some serious fucking guap. But you know, back to this whole baby oil thing and all this fucking Diddy shit that's going on. Does anyone ever pay attention to the timing of when certain things happen? What up, hard hat? Oh, you saw that shit? Me and him are like boys in real life. So like you can see the dynamic that we're obviously really friends in real life. We talk every fucking day since literally we've probably talked every single day since like 2009, some part or early 2010. That's where we met. But yeah, me and him are fucking boys. Um, Tony Chan, does Apex still? Yeah, they still have the DCA rule, and it's real simple. Don't add to a losing position more than once. That's it. Not always, but I add to a losing position one time, a lot of times, in often. It's like part of my strategy at this point, depending on where we are on the charts. Damn, look at that. We got some good price action tonight. So like this whole fucking Diddy oil, all this Diddy shit going on, and the oil, and everybody just cracking jokes, and it's becoming a meme, and it's funny, right? But like, remember what happened just the day before Diddy got arrested, or 2 days before Diddy got arrested. Does anybody remember what happened? Anybody know what happened a day or two before Diddy got arrested? Let me know in the chat, and then I'll tell you if you don't know. Jamila knows it's a distraction. A lot of you guys know it's a distraction. Thank you, Glenn C. Well, always near election time, but something happened that if it was anybody else that it happened to, it would be a fucking huge deal and all over the fucking news all of the time. And that's all they'd be talking about. I'll give you guys, and I don't want to talk about this shit. I don't want to get into politics because at the end of the day, with all that shit that goes on, we always end up getting fucked no matter what. But yeah, doesn't seem like anybody knows. Or some people might. Jamila knows it's a distraction. But what happened a couple of days ago? Well, I mean, I do because you know what? Think about it's not what they have on Diddy. It's what Diddy has on a bunch of fucking people that are very powerful. That's what that's all about. But yeah, one trade a day. JTF, what's good? I was my friend. Boom, I got approved. I was on the review. I guess that's just their protocol now. Because some people go on the review and they stay on the review for a while. I've been there and been not denied, but the shit got approved, bro. Right here. I gotta sneeze. Yeah, visible ID Trump. Yeah, they tried to, and I saw a fucking what's his fucking face? There's one guy, Republican dude. I forgot his fucking name. Younger guy. He was saying that there's literally like 5 different fucking assassination teams out there trying to fucking take out Trump. So this fucking clown, the Ryan Ruth guy, or whatever the fuck his name is, Ray Caruth, or whatever the fuck his name is. The dude's been in like BlackRock commercials, was in fucking Nazi Azov battalion fucking propaganda videos. There's videos of him coming off of Kamala fucking when they bust in the fake supporters for Kamala's fucking rallies that no one ever shows up to unless they bust people in. He was on the bus there. Like, this dude is a fucking asset of the deep state or whatever. They got all this shit happening. So what happens to fucking distract people and say, don't look here, look over here? They go and arrest Diddy. So it's just fucking, just fucking be aware of that shit. You got to make sure you know what both hands are doing. Anyway. Yeah, he's on this. Yeah, he's on the suicide watch. I'll tell you one thing. Now that he's in prison, if he's really going to stay in prison, they're not going to use baby oil in prison. They're not even going to spit on it. I see money flow. Don't worry. I mean, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's about where I was when I was about at the same spot. Like, look, if you do the math, right? I spent, 30,066 overall, and then when I got to my first payout, since I requested my first payout, I spent 10,716. So let's do the math. 30,066 minus 10,716. I was basically at the same spot as you. I was 19. And that's just Apex. I was spending money with Take Profit Trader, not even anywhere near this amount. I did buy a couple of combines with Top Step. I've also been spending some money with My Fund the Future, but I'm just focusing on Apex right now because that's where like 90% of the money I've spent on prop firms, at least 90% has gone. So, I mean, you're getting closer. I don't vote, but I don't like fucking Marxist commies either. Those are the same fucking people that were trying to fucking exclude me from fucking civilization because I refused to wear a mask during fucking COVID. So they could all fucking, and they're the reason why, everything I spend money on is 40%, 40 to 50% more. But I don't vote because I know voting's for fucking suckers. You think your vote counts? I mean, God bless you. I try not to participate in that bullshit. Just leave me the fuck alone. That's all I want. Leave me the fuck alone. Me and my family. That's it. That's all I want. JTF, you got paid on your first PA? Great fucking job, man. Oh, I know Patrick's a fucking, he's got that big ass flag on his boat. This is your first month's prop firm trading and you're at $992. You know what happened, Sharpnell, man? What up, Evan Cortez? Yannick's, what's good? Diddy party, I ain't gonna die. Is it part? Well, let me see the picture of him. He got a robe on, Diddy. I ain't gonna die. Is that Darrell's nutsack? Oh yeah. I love it. It's fucking funny as hell. You're only at like 15 evals, and hey, that's great, man. Chris 808. I ain't voting for nobody. What happened to all the people who voted for Trump in 2020? You know what happened in 2020. Danny boy. Yeah, man, just keep pushing forward. Oh, you're right there, bro. You're obviously in the beginning, like if you look at my trajectory, like in the beginning, you spent a lot more before you're getting payouts, and now you're probably getting more payouts than it's cost. I'm sure at this point you're getting more payouts than it's costing you. Fuck yeah, Evan. It's the best code in the world. You're under Yannick's. I was under review too for like 24 hours. I requested Wednesday night. I got it as long as you didn't violate any rules, right? You didn't fucking break any rules in your metrics, you should be fine. You know, hopefully, right? I requested Wednesday night and got approved Thursday night, but I was under review all day on Thursday, and I was like, shit, what the fuck? That's Danny Boy. I mean, I still think you could shrink that. You could shrink. You could. You know, you could increase the gap between what it's costing you and what you're getting, but you're still profitable. You're still profitable overall. Yeah, shrapnel. Yeah, most of the accounts have been blown during FOMC. Yeah, that's because you're fucking new to it. So you're like fucking slamming, you're slamming contracts and fucking just gamble. You're not really. I don't know if you're really trading just yet. Maybe you traded some accounts, but a lot of them you just slamming. You're gambling more than anything. During news events and shit. Wow, this shit just keeps going up. I'm so glad I got fucking. At least I got something. Well, that's in my Apex account. I didn't trade my Take Profit Trader account yet. Yeah. Yeah, JT. Even if they do ask you for a video, even if they do, Giannis, if they ask you for a video, make a video. Like, this is how I take, this is what I look for. This is what I like to trade. This is my strat. This is my strat. Yeah, Tiago. Yeah, I still do it. I still take, I'm like, no exaggeration. On FOMC day, I had two my funded futures accounts before these two, and I blew them with. I literally blew those. Those were like in. I had one was up like $800, but it was in bad shape from hitting the daily loss limit like twice, so they were almost nuked. But one was up like $800, the other was up like 70, and I decided right as all that FOMC shit started happening, like when it went fucking berserk, right? I decided to try trading them. I blew those two, and then I got another eval. I blew that in like 2 minutes, and then I got another eval. Not blew it, but I hit the daily loss limit on this as soon, like literally right after I got it, trying to fuck around during FOMC. And then I got this one right after because I hit the daily loss limit on this, couldn't trade it anymore. Then I got because I was trying to pass, right? I was trying to gamble. I was trying to gamble and pass real quick and get it over with. And then I got this one and hit the literally. I think it took a minute and 6 seconds for this one to hit the daily loss limit. I was a 1 minute man. Um, and we know the ladies don't like a 1 minute man. Ain't that right? 17 contracts on crude. Tiago, it's $10 a tick, bro. So at 17 contracts, 17 minis, that's $170 a tick. That's fucking crazy. Yeah, so I was a 1 minute man with this account and like a 2.5 minute man, which, a lot of times 2.5 minutes is enough to get it to pass an eval or nuke it, I guess. And then so like that, all of that happened in like a span of like 4 minutes. So I've done some dumb. I still do dumb degen gambling shit, but I worked this account back out of the doldrums, and this, I'm gonna see if I can pass this on Friday. During throughout New York and shit, and maybe this one too. I'm gonna see also, guys. How does it feel being a 1 minute man? I don't know. You just fucking try again. Still with the same girl. Still with the same girl since fucking the end of '03. So it happens. You guys all know it happens. What up, Dan Emmons? What up? And evalidate to keep the doctor away. Yeah. Is there a mini scalp rule on Apex? No. They just don't want you. They don't want you adding to losers more than once. They don't want you bracket trading. They don't want you gambling the opening range breakout without a clear cut strategy. What else do they not want you to do? They don't want you to have inconsistent position sizing. Like, for example, if you're always trading like one or two minis at a time and adding one or two minis at a time, like if you're going to add to a losing position once, they don't want you to all of a sudden start trading fucking six because you're getting frustrated and you're just trying to get all of your losses back in one trade. They don't want you doing shit like that. Although they might let it slide. I don't know. I don't even go there. I try to keep it real fucking consistent on that thing. Serious trader, it's not always like that, bro. It's happened though. I'm saying it has happened. Anyone in here who says it's never happened to them is fucking full of shit. But let's stay focused on trading. I was talking about trade blowing evals, not blowing loads. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I've had I'm always trying to be a one pump champ when it comes to trading my funded accounts. If I can be in and out of trades in one fucking trade in from one trade, I refer to that as the one pump champ. So what happened with Josiah? Oh, well, we're not supposed to talk about it. Stargazer Lily, what's up? Yeah, money promoter. I'm with you, man. There's a cool fucking there's a you guys know who George Carlin is, right? He's fucking guy was way ahead of his time. He talked about assassinations. He said any the only people who get assassinated are the people who want fucking peace. They want peace. Look at everyone who's been assassinated or been attempted to be assassinated. But yeah, it's fucking crazy. 80 minis, 80 micros to pass evals. I've done full port plenty of times, Danny boy. Colin was the GOAT. There was a bit he did years ago on fucking germs, and it was so appropriate for all that COVID bullshit. Shan, yeah. Look at this, man. We're almost at the VWAP. See green, take green. Yeah, I have PTSD, and then a lot of times I take green, and then the moves keep going. Like, for example, right here. Wait, I'm not even in this account. This is really painful because I had an order. I canceled an order at. I had an order at 2000. Where is it? Right here, 2011. I canceled it for 3. I don't know if I would have rode it all the way up, obviously, but man, we're up 30 points from there. We didn't even, not even just a tip hit the VWAP here, and we're rejecting off of it. Maybe we'll get back up to it. Is there around your area that has a dog as mayor, Jay? I don't know. What do you mean? I know what you're talking about, Tiago. What up, Mark Loftus? So I am the Mark. Yeah, I'm not my pullout. Mark, I have 4 kids, bro. I had 4 kids in less than 5 years, so my pullout game is fucking weak. I think we go back up and blow through VWAP, but I don't know. We didn't even really touch it, right? Did we? We didn't even touch it. Doesn't look like we almost touched it. That was a sharp drop, though. That was 10 points in like fucking in one candle, basically. This price action has been pretty fucking good for the overnight. Usually, a lot of times, after that first hour of fucking, so like, so 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. is when 3 a.m. is when London opens. So 3 to 4, there's good volume, and then usually like maybe from 4 to 5 on Eastern, the hour after London opens could be good, but we're on the 3rd hour now, and the shit is still moving. Don't worry, we couldn't have kids now if we wanted to. You saw a post of a golden retriever as mayor. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't pay. I don't know. I have no idea. I really don't even. I don't even know. I don't even know who the mayor is out here. No more kids for you until you have nannies, maids, and servants. Like you going full, you're gonna go full Thomas Jefferson. Just fucking stick it in anybody. Stick it in all the help. Oh man, we got 96 people hanging out right now. Fucking awesome. Oh guys, since we have all you guys hanging out here, and I haven't did this yet. I haven't did this. I haven't done this yet. Um, I needed. I want to. I want to drop the Discord link in here. I haven't dropped the Discord link yet. You guys are all invited to the Discord who are not in the Discord yet. It's where the DCA gang hangs out, the Degen fam hangs out. It's a safe space for degenerate prop firm traders. Let me grab that link. We just crossed over 600 members, which is awesome. Super excited about that. But I like to only invite people while we're streaming. What's up, Chris 808? What up, Sammy Roger? Discord. Here it is. Free to join. The only thing I ask of new members, like anybody who's going to join for the first time and be hanging out in there, just don't be a jerk off. Pretty simple fucking rule. We're all in there trying to encourage each other and inspire and like motivate each other and push each other and have each other's backs. You know, there's some really fucking. I mean, there's a lot of really good traders in there, and you know, that's all I ask. And don't poach. That's it. Yeah, no poaching. Exactly, Tiago. That's what the poaching is. Don't start being like, oh, please use my coupon code, for fucking some random fucking prop firm. Because people have done that. They go in there and they start dropping their affiliate. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? Is that what you got in here for? That's all you got in here for? Not to hang out and fucking, be a part of a community. You just want to be a fucking jerk off. Yeah, you know what? Sometimes we need the baby oil for the fucking that we get by the market. So you know what now? Damn, that'd be okay. 1 minute J. Yeah, yeah. Chris 808. Sometimes the politics does creep in there, but not often. Not often at all. Very, very rare, very seldom does that happen. Daddy Trader. Yeah, no one can call me Zero Pay J anymore. That's for sure. Yeah, the Discord's cool. You'll see like during New York, the shit is gonna be. I mean, it pops pretty much all day and night, but it's gonna be fucking popping during New York. Papa locking. I am the chief gift officer of the whatchamacallit of the the fucking the Discord. Dan Emmons is crushing it. Looking at his fucking shit right now. Holy fuck. are we looking at here? Is it starting to finally slow down? Although we might have a little head and shoulders going on here. I'd be a little worried about a drop here. As it fucking goes up. Sammy Rogers, yes, sir. Sammy Roger, look at that. Boom. It was under review, but it literally in like 24 hours, I got approved. In less than 24 hours, basically. I got the email. I posted it in the Discord earlier. Let's see. When did I post that screenshot? So 7:23 p.m. I'll open it in the Discord here. When I check my email on my other laptop, it's still I've kept my work laptop on East Coast time, on EST since I moved from New York. I always kept that shit on East Coast time. But it happened. Well, yeah, I mean that's the time it happened, 10:23 p.m. Eastern. But look, I'll show you. I will show you when I got the email from them. Right here, 10:23 p.m. Eastern, EST. Payout approved. So literally it was like about like I don't even know if it was 24 hours. It might have been a little less. So fuck yeah, another $2,000. Another $2,000. I'm cutting into my tuition bigly lately. Let's go back to the charts. Oh look, it is going down. It did look like it wanted to drop. It did look like it wanted to drop. I don't know how far down it's going to go. But that's a nice size candle. $34 to $24, 10-point candle. That's a lot for this time of day. Yo, dude, I'm probably gonna have Glenn now. I'm probably gonna have the money. Like Rob Moore's was here early. I don't know if he's still hanging out in here. He got fucking paid quick too. He got 3K. Dildzik. NQ's going to 15K right now. Could you imagine? We wouldn't be able to trade anymore because that would definitely trigger the circuit breaker. I wish I was short. I'm not in anything right now. I'm chilling. Tamimi. Yeah, gold. You talking about gold spot? Oh my god. That just reminds me, I gotta fucking ship something out tomorrow. Fuck. Oh my god. This is, obviously we like to look at gold futures. Gold futures is way up. Gold futures was up as high as 26.38. But I like looking at gold spot. Look at me getting followed around by fucking Take Profit Trader. Gold spot, that's insane. It was actually higher. It was at fucking 26.13. That's insane. I'm telling you, like a year ago, gold was at like 1,800 or seven. What was it at like a year ago? Fucking crazy. This just tells you how fucked up everything is in the world. If gold is going up like this, it just means that, it's finally fucking, there's a lot of instability in the world. Plus, you got BRICS. They're fucking, they're backing all their shit with gold. Let's see. Fucking crazy. Look, so, yeah, January 3rd. So in January 2022, we were as low as 1,600. Fucking nuts. What's silver at? Absolutely insane. Silver's $31. Fuck. Let's just say I have some gold and silver. Fuck yeah. Some dude from the Bank of England speaking. Is he sipping? Is he drinking tea and having tea with crumpets? Let's look at the Forex Factory calendar, shall we? Let's see if there's anything going on. Well, let's see what is going on. The 20th. I guess this is what's going. This is why the market's going down. Maybe. Bank of Japan press conference. That could be scary. Bank of Canada Governor Macklem speaks. Canada retail sales. Does anybody give a fuck about Canada resale sales? Does that even move the markets at all? No. Nothing really else. Nothing else is really going on all day. What's going on next week? Bunch of red folder events for Europe. Ooh, PMI next week. Next Monday. Wait, what day is this? Next Monday is PMI, guys. Imagine your last name being Goolsby. FOMC member Goolsby speaks. I'm sure they move the market just because their name is fucking funny. This person's last name is Cash Carry. Now that's a cool fucking name. Yo, what up, Cash Carry? So you got Monday, you got PMI. What's going on Tuesday? Consumer confidence. Wednesday, crude oil inventories. Thursday, unemployment claims, final GDP. Shit. Powell speaks at 9:20 on fucking Thursday. You want to fucking gamble on some evals? That'll be a good time to do that shit. Thursday, Monday, and Thursday for sure. So I don't recommend it, but you guys are gonna do it anyway. Sammy Rogers, I'm always selling those. I flip them on eBay. Someone bought something from me yesterday. I gotta fucking ship it out. I have some I have some stuff. I don't want to sell. I have some stuff that's never getting sold anytime soon. And then I have stuff that has like premiums that I sell. It doesn't matter what the spot is. There's always a premium for it. Yo, what up, Matthew? Matthew Van Zandt. I haven't seen you around, bro. Would you go on vacation? Are we bouncing here? I don't know. Oh, look, maybe higher low. We made a higher low from this low. Although, even though these lows we got lower, but now look, we're bouncing. So who the fuck knows? It went up by much. It's only up like 4 points. So we could hit this 9, touch it, and fucking drop some more. Aramir, yes, he did pass his road test. So, for the longest time, I've been saying in 2 hours, in 3 hours and 20 minutes, my son's going to be fucking doing this to me to take him to work. And that ain't happening anymore. He passed his road test on Wednesday. He drove his own ass to work yesterday. He's going to drive himself to work today as well. Super pumped. I hear you, Matthew, man. I hope all is well with you, man. Good to see you on here. Glad you popped on to say what up. Yeah, Now I go from no sleep Jay to some sleep Jay. Josh, so fucking true, bro. So fucking true. Yeah, I'm not feeling what's going on. I'm chilling. I'm not touching this till New York. See if I can add to this fucking Shit. Yeah, there it goes. I mean, maybe you go short. I mean, the time to go short was here at the 21, the 5 minute 21. The 5 minute 21 EMA is this purple line right here. Fucking rejected right off of that shit. It dropped below it, came back to it, and just went boing down 18 points from there. Tiago, I will check it. I don't know if I should check it now. Yeah, what's crazy is we didn't actually hit the VWAP. But yeah, that was where it was. That's where we didn't actually hit it. We just missed hitting. We missed it by what? 2.5 points? But yeah, I mean that was it. Since we went up there, we're down fucking 30, almost 30 points, 27 points and counting. Looks like we're just gonna keep riding down this fucking trend for a little while. Yeah, without a doubt. I don't fucking there's no volume right now, Chris. ES touched the VWAP. Okay. Yeah, I don't. I need to pay attention to the more to the ES. I have it on my chart. Yeah, right here, right here. Good fucking catch. I have it on this chart here too. Jeez. Oh, this is what are we on ESZ now? I need to fucking upgrade that shit. There we go. Yeah. All right. So I could kill this. You see my template? You see the name of my template? Cambodian milk. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. The VWAP. Look at these fucking wicks. You know, Chris, sometimes I'm not greedy enough, but I'm with you on that. Oh, Mayor Max. I'm Tiago. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at the DM right now. What the fuck? A dog became the town's mayor. That's great. That's fucking funny, man. What the fuck? Probably does a better job than an actual human, right? They're great at fucking kissing babies and giving paw. We curling up here, we're just gonna reject. Also, a lot of times, what I noticed too, if we've been trending down like this for a little bit and we get over the 9, this is the 9 EMA, we'll hit the 21 right here, the 1 minute 21, and reject or bounce, depending on which way it's going. Something to look for, something to look at just in case it happens, or something to keep your eye out for. We can't get over the 9 right now. Now the price actually kind of, I mean, we're dropping down, but it's just not as good. I don't know. We're approaching that time of day where it's just not that good. You got to do it over here. What up, Slade? So let's say I have an order in for a short here. You go on this all the way on the right side. You drag it from here, where the prices are. You just drag. You just go woo 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 woo. Just don't let go. Where don't as long as you don't let go. Unlike Top Step, like if I drag this down to Top Step, if I was in Top Step, I dragged it down here, I'd get filled. But as long as you don't let go, you're good. It's right on the outside. You see that, Slade? Um, I have volume on. I have volume. I don't even know I could add. I guess I could add volume to my trade rate. Let's see. Chart settings. Volume profile. What the? That's actually not that bad. I don't know how I feel about that. I kind of like when the volume's at the bottom, but I could get used to that. But as you can see, there's no fucking volume. I don't know. I don't like that, honestly. That's that. Let me see. Let me get rid of that. Configure chart elements. No. Indicators. Volume. I'm just gonna leave see what the default does. Oh, okay. Interesting. Why is it doing gray? Well, I guess it doesn't matter because I can see the candle here. Yeah, I'll leave this on here for a little while. I'll see how I like it. Yeah. I don't really think there are any big players right now, unless it's fucking algos. I feel like the only big players that are right now trading are fucking algos and bots. We got a fib. We got some fib action happening here. I don't know. Oh, look what we came down to. I drew this fucking line before. Look, we're bouncing right off this area of support again. Look, let me go to the hourly. This right here, this area, right here. That's where I drew the line from because of this shit right here. And we just hit it again. We hit it here, bounced pretty hard to the VWAP. Now we're at it again and we're bouncing off of it so far. Crazy. Crazy. If I draw a fib on the fucking 15, what did it reject off of the 50? Almost the 618. I don't like just making a decision based on what I see on the fib. I like looking at it after just to be like, wow, it literally rejected right off the 618, or it literally rejected right off the 707. I got Harvey in here with me. Mr. Harvey. Mr. Two-Face. Well, look, so far, we bounced what? 13 points. But what? Check this shit out. It literally, it's another equal low. Like we're gonna fucking pump here. I have a feeling we're gonna fucking pump. Look, it couldn't get below this level. It's literally at the same spot. I just have a feeling we're gonna pump at least another fucking 15, 20 points. I don't know. We used to call this progress print the George W. George W. You would get along with Dan Emmons. He draws a lot of M's and W's. Here we are at the 34. SMA, the EMA we just crossed over. We just got over the 34 EMA, 34 SMA, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's looking, I mean, it's going to at least go to the lower VWAP band. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like I missed it. I wish I was paying closer attention. It literally fucking dropped to the same spot. It's going to pump. It might actually fucking, yeah, I mean, we'll get like a double bottom here. It could fucking literally go back up to the upper VWAP band or even the low or the bottom orb. Maybe. I don't know. I could be wrong. It's getting late for me. I don't want to get stuck in another trade right before I get off. Sometimes I'm like, yeah, OB Lazar, 20,500. You think so, huh? Yup, double bottom for sure. I've seen it. I've seen it like a zenith. I don't like getting in positions right before I'm about to hop off because I get trapped in them. So many times I'll be like, I'm getting ready. I'm about ready to hop off, guys. And then I see a fucking trade. I get in a trade, and then I fucking get trapped in a trade for an hour. I'm like, please, let me, Chris. I mean, volume's low so far, but this is the 15-minute. But volume's been low for the last fucking hour. To the VWAP we go. What's really cool about what's happening right now and what time it is I would be literally saying in 2 hours, in 2 hours, in 3 hours, my son's going to be waking me up, and that's not true anymore. I mean, I'm probably going to roll over just to check if when he gets to work, but I can literally sleep. I'm probably going to sleep. I'm probably not getting out of bed till like 8:30, 9 o'clock, which is fucking great because that's all I've been wanting. Like I've been getting like 3 or 4 hours of sleep a night, broken sleep, anywhere from like 3 to 5 hours a night of broken ass sleep for the last fucking basically since I've been streaming. Well, basically since my daughter stopped working at the same store that my son works at and got a job at Starbucks. He took over. She used to open, but she was taking herself to work because she had a license. She had her car and shit. But he once when she left, he basically took her opening spot. So he opened the store. He opens the store now Monday through Friday. He has to be there at 6, and he didn't have his license yet, so I had to fucking drive him. So now he has his license. I don't have to drive him anymore. So I could actually sleep. The only interruption will be like my dogs moving around on the bed and shit, or me rolling over to check my phone and make sure my kids got to work. That's about it. Not getting up, getting in the car, driving, coming back home, and trying to fall back asleep. All right, Glenn. I'll see you around. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, maybe I'll see you during New York. I'll be trading during Power Hour. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna bounce because I gotta go to bed. I want to get some sleep, and I don't really want to trade right now anyway because I'm starting to get really tired. So look, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button for Travel Conti. If you need to grab some accounts, my links for Apex, Take Profit Trader, and My Fund the Futures are in the description below. Use coupon code ZERODAYJAY. It's the best code ever. And look for me. I will be on at Power Hour, and we'll go to and through close. I'll be on I'm gonna try to get on before Power Hour. I do gotta go drop off some paperwork at the DMV expediter so they could register my car now, my other car that I got for myself, since I'm giving my son the car I've been driving for the last 5 years. But yeah, look for me during Power Hour. I'll be on, and hope to see you there. If not, I'll see you next time. All right, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Trade safely or trade aggressively. Get that money. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for hanging out. And thank you to Rob Morris for hitting the super chat once again, man. I really appreciate the support.